Science is, mm, it's probably like, I can't really answer that one. It's a mix of different things. You have all different things in science, like force and motion and all these different things, temperatures and a bunch of stuff like that.
Science, it is focused on understanding our natural systems, okay? That we observe nature, we can test nature, and we can draw conclusions about what the cause and effects are, how that might change. Okay, that's what science gives you.
Well, anybody pretty much, if you study and stay in school, I mean.
Some are, some aren't. It's good to be creative. Be like if you were an inventor scientist and you creatively invented something that would save a bunch of people, like a cure for cancer or whatever.
And there is a lot of creativity involved in it. It's not just cut and dry. I have to take this and add it to this or anything like that. There is creativity, and I think one example perhaps of how we have become creative in measuring the ocean is all the recent work that's being done with putting small instrument packages on seals and penguins and turtles and things and letting them sample the ocean for us, right? Because the ships and people, there are whole parts of the ocean we can't even get to, and we certainly can't get to those parts of the ocean at all seasons of the year. For example, in the Arctic and the Antarctic where there's ice cover, you can't get in there in the winter with ships except for a small amount of the space or the area you want to look at. But the animals that live there exploit the environment. They use it all the time. So someone got the idea, well, in addition to learning about the animal's habitat and its foraging behavior and its ecology, we can ask the animals to be oceanographers for us and sample the ocean. So now we have wonderful samples in all these high latitude environments that cover all seasons of the year, in areas up inshore where we can't get with ships because of the fast iced environments. Now we can get this wonderful information from these animals, so they sample every time they come to the surface to breathe, or every so often. The tag that collects the information transmits it all back to the satellite. It downloads it to our computer on our desk, and there we have a nice realization of the environment. And I think that's a pretty creative approach to sampling the ocean, one that we wouldn't have come up with before, I don't think.
Usually they have goggles and lab coats and everything and test tubes and stuff like that. It could be.